Well, this has got to be the strangest pulse motor I've ever built right here. And this thing here is running off of an op amp. And this is Tinsel Koala's circuit. And I don't know what he wants to call it, but TK, I built this up. I'll give the link to your video so that the other guys can see the circuit diagram. But I'm using a different op amp than this. I'm just using this 741 op amp from Radio Shack. And you can see it works as a pulse motor circuit. This is the sense coil right here. I've got a real high resistance 42 gauge wire coil that's, I think, 1,000 ohms. It's really high. And then about 11 ohm drive coil here, 30 gauge. And the circuit's the same. I mean, if you guys want to take a look at this, the pin call out is different on this one than this one, but it's basically the same circuit. There's just a few resistors, and I'm not using the capacitors. And here's the sense coil right here. And then on the LED, I just put a coil right here. It's just a coil of wire so that the current goes through this circuit here and pushes the rotor around. I mean, there's nothing to it. I didn't put a 555 timer on it. I didn't go through a transistor. Nothing. And there's a pulse motor circuit using an op amp as the triggering method. Anyway, TK, thanks for that. That was amazing. And you can use this coil here to sense the field of a magnet passing by. And on his video, he doesn't even use the rotor thing. He's just using a magnet, and it clicked on my mind right away. It was, you know, that looks to me like a trigger device for a pulse motor. And sure enough, it worked. So anyway, thanks Tinsel Koala. That's a brilliant little simple circuit. Thanks for sharing it.